Okay, so today I'm going to read you a series of problems, and all you're going to do is show me how you do them. And you can either write it down or show me with the manipulatives right there. Okay? So the first problem, and I can repeat if you needed. Kevin just learned how to tie his shoes. It takes him 5 minutes to tie one pair of shoes. He wants to tie 12 pairs of shoes. How long will this take him?
I don't. Okay. So 12 packs. Well, yeah, 12.
Yeah. He takes 5 minutes to tie one pair of shoes. How many, and he wants to tie 12 pairs of shoes. How long will it take him? Okay. You need a lot, huh? I'm just gonna show your work. Yep, you're doing great.
Okay, so wait. Okay.
I think one of yours went over a little bit.
I'll just move it. So you don't have to pull around. Done.
So what did you do here?
I just done total groups of 5.
Okay, so you put how many in each group?
5,
And how many rows are there?
12.
12. And how many does that equal?
60.
60. 60, yep.
Because we've done the problem before.
We have done the problem before. All right, so on your work, where would you write 60?
There.
Good job. Okay. So how did you know to put 5 in each group?
Because there's clearly 5. It takes,
Because it takes
this
him.
has to be, right, I mixed these up.
Oh, you messed it up?
Yeah, because the groups are 12,
Yeah,
not 5.
that's right.
Okay.
So why'd you write 5 and why'd you write 12?
Because it takes them 5 minutes to write.
To tie.
Yeah, to tie. It takes them 5 minutes to tie one pair of shoes.
And he wants to tie 12 shoes. So it would take him 60
Minutes.
Great. Okay, we're gonna move on to a different problem.
Okay.
Okay, so you can just move those to the side because you'll probably use those. Okay. So we're just gonna write a 1 right there.
Ooh. Okay.
We're gonna write a 1 right there. So.
For the problems.
Because you're gonna have 3 problems. Okay. Next, we're going to. There's a different problem. Okay. Robert has 24 toy cars. He wants to split them equally between 4 friends. How many does each friend get?
That's division, I can tell. Wait, what
How do you
was
know
the
that's
total?
division? So Robert has 24 toy cars. He wants to split them equally between 4 friends. How many does each friend get?
Because the total, so in division, the total has to go first, and you have to figure out 4 friends.
Between 4 friends. So how many groups do you have?
4, I need to get 4.
You have 4 groups. So if you have 4 there already.
That's okay.
Okay.
24. There.
Okay, 24. So if you were to split them equally between 4 friends, how many would you put in each group?
You don't know because you have to do the fair share method.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I'm not counting. I'm just putting them in until I write.
You're just dividing them, yep.
There's one left. Probably I got too much.
There's one left. So let's see. Where do you think you went wrong? So if these are the people, how would we make it so more clearly to see our answer?
By spreading them out.
Uh-huh. Okay, so how many would each person get? So,
Wait.
no, you're doing it right. So
Yeah, but
you wouldn't count these. These are just the friends.
I know. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay. Now I get it.
Uh-huh.
Okay, there.
So,
I was counting 7 instead of 6.
because you would not count the first one because why? That's
Because it's the main. It's the main part of the group.
it's the friend, right? Okay, so how did you know to put 6 in each group?
I didn't. I just randomly put them in until I ran out.
Well, how'd you know? What method did you use to do that?
The fair share
The
method.
fair share method, right? Okay, correct. And I'm gonna show your work. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see. Yep. Okay, and you're gonna write a number 2 to show that's problem 2. Okay, and we're gonna move on to the third problem. Okay.
Okay.
So you can scoot those on over. Okay. Last problem. Chloe has 30 cherries. She gives 3 to each friend. How many friends does she give cherries to?
6 to each friend.
So, maybe. Chloe has 30 cherries. She gives 3 to each friend.
Oh,
How many friends does she give cherries to?
wait. Oh, okay. Still confusing.
Uh-huh. So she has 30 cherries and she gives 3 to each friend.
Okay, so I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 24, 36, 8, 30. Okay.
Okay.
So, different groups.
You put them in
3. I don't know how
groups
much
of 3, yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. That's what you mean. Oh, is there 3 in that?
Yep.
There's one extra.
10 friends.
10 friends.
There.
So, how many groups do we have?
10.
10, and how many in each group?
3.
Yep, and then we have 30. So what's another way? What's another way you could write this problem? So if you have 10 groups with 3 in each,
Multiplication.
so write that down. How would you write that?
Wait.
So read that.
10 times 3 equals 30.
Good job. And what method did you use to find this one?
I didn't use method. I just put them in groups of 3.
So you use grouping?
Oh yeah, the
Yeah.
group method.
Group method, yeah. All right. Cool.